Good morning, students. Amanjit here. Today we are going to discuss third unit, programming your brain. So in this chapter, we will learn about the learning tips, how we can become our learning better. So firstly, few questions written in front of this chapter, in front page of this chapter. Just read it and find out the answers according to your way. Clear? Now see three quotation written here which will help you. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. So first thing is willingness. If you are willing to learn to achieve your aim, if you are determined, then no one can stop you. So never stop learning because life never stops teachings. The next is ask. Ask in ask a is always, as seek k knowledge. So whenever you have any kind of problem, try to ask from somebody. Clear? From your teachers, from your parents, from your elder, anybody who help you. So that's why is written there ask means always seek knowledge wherever you need. Now next, in next page, one story is written, story of Robert Frost. Robert Frost has written a beautiful poem, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. In this poem, he described the conflict between two desires within him. He is traveling through the forest and is lost in its beauty. He loves being there, enjoying the splendor, but at the same time, he is aware of many other responsibilities on his shoulder. Though the jungle around is beautiful, he decides to move forward to take up the responsibility and reach the target. So, as students, our prime concern is learning. There are many other things around us which appear more beautiful and more attractive, but we should move ahead with a single minded determination. So, students, as a student, our prime concern is learning. So, determine your goal and with a single minded try to achieve it. Now, some of the tips written here: learning to learn better, how we can become our how we can learn in a better way. So, few points written here which will help you to make your learning better. First is manage your time. Try to set the timetable, manage your time. Study in 20 to 50 minutes chunk. Clear? At least 20 to 50 minutes. Find a good study spot, an environment in which you can concentrate on your goal. Clear your minds. So many things attractive you, or so many things around you which distract your mind. Try to clear your mind and focus on learning. Eat healthy food while you study. Make things interesting. First, create interest in it. Make it a group efforts. Try to take help from others. Make associations. Make flashcards which will help you to retain, to recall your material. Rewrite your notes at home and learn the most important facts first. Whatever important things are there, try to learn first. So these things help you to make your learning better. Clear? Next page number 16. It is true that some are blessed with a sharp memory, but psychologically studies prove that one can improve this power through constant practice. One of the effective methods used for this is the interconnection of the ideas. For example, imagine we have a difficulty in differentiating the meaning of two words. Which two words? Stationary and stationary. Sound is same but spellings are different. At last three words, in first stationary ARY is there and in last ERY. So the meaning of the word that end in ARY is without movement. Actually, the stationary ARY is an adjective that describe objects that are not moving. Clear? Not moving. While The stationery with ERY is a noun that refer to pen, pencil, paper, means office material. So, whereas the second word that end in ERY means writing material. We can easily remember this difference in the meaning if we interconnect the ERY word with the envelope. Remember, we can get an envelope from a stationery store. Clear? So, for to remind, just we can put keyword in our mind, envelope. With the help of envelope, you come to know that stationery with ERY means material, writing material, and stationery with ARY is different one, which mean is a object that are not moving. So to make our learning easy, one solution is given to you that to make it to recall it, just take help of word envelope. So where we get envelope from the stationery with ERY. Clear? So these are the texts. Some find it difficult to remember dates of various historical events. We can make it easier just by connecting it with the birthdays or some other important dates of our life. So to recall particular date, we can connect that event with our whole life, with our life event. We can also connect different ideas like a long chain, and it will stay fresh in our memory. So these are the tips to make our learning easy. Next technique is Vibgor technique. VIBGYOR technique. So that is also a technique given to us to make our learning easy. For one example is given related to that technique, that if you want to remember the seven color of rainbow, what you need to do is to keep in mind the word Vibgor, so that we can remember the each color of rainbow, like V for violet, I indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Means each color's first letter taken by us and one new word created, that is Vibgor, so that we can easily recognize the color of a rainbow. Clear? So these are the techniques, these are the tips to make our learning easy. One more example is given here, like if we want to prepare a long essay. An essay is very much long. So what we can do, we can put heading of each paragraph of a essay, so that the heading should go hand in hand with the idea expressed in the paragraph. So these are the tips which given us to make our learning easy. Now, next is exam tips. How these tips help us in exam. So, first is always believe you can do it best. Before going to exam, before during the preparation of exam, try to uh, create confidence in us, that always believe you can do it best. Try to gain positive thinking. Make use of previous as well as model question paper. Try to go through with the previous question paper, model question paper, which will help you. All the instrument for the exam should be kept ready on the previous night itself. Means pen, pencil, sharpener, whatever the material needed for the next paper, try to kept ready one previous night before. Go to bed early. You should get at least 7 hours sleep. So try to sleep well. As you get up, spend a few minutes for prayer. After get up, spend time for prayer. Take a cold bath, dress well, you will feel confident. Start early from the house and reach the examination hall half an hour before. Make sure the hall tickets and the instruments are with you. Once you get the question paper, read it properly and start writing. Stop writing before 15 minutes of the final bell and spend the remaining time for reading and correcting the mistakes. Once it is complete, don't bother too much about what you have written. Now leave that behind and concentrate on the next paper. Clear? So that you can prepare the next paper well. Clear? So these are the tips, exam tips. Try to follow in your life, so that your exam will you will able to do your exam very well. Now next is the learning pyramid. Clear? This is also very much important learning pyramid which will help you. Now see what is there. What we remember, our level of involvement, means whatever we are remember, that depends on our level of involvement, how much we involve in that part, that help us. Clear? So students, one thing I just want to say before starting this thing, that learner lectures are most effective when students arrive to class prepare, actively participate in the class discussion and take good notes. Means if your involvement is there during the lecture time, that help you to remember or to recall things. The effectiveness of any learning method as presented in the learning pyramid will also be influenced by your own unique learning style. Clear? So let's study about the learning pyramid. What is that? Like in first, what is written here? Verbal receiving and visual receiving. All the two things, verbal receiving and visual, means only receiving is there. That is a passive form. Clear? So if we are sitting in a classroom and we are receiving verbally, means passive way, then how much we gain, how much we remember, that with the through the pyramid it explain. Like verbal receiving, only reading, if we are reading 10% of what we read, we will gain, we will remember. Then listening, 20% what we hear, that we remember. 30% of what we see, that remember. Clear? And visual receiving, means what we watch. Watching a movie, looking at an exhibit, watching a demonstration, seeing it done on location, all these things are visual receiving and is a passive form. And out of this watching, only 50% what we hear and see, that remember. We are able to remember 50% whatever we see and hear. So our level of involvement is there, means how much we involve in that, how much we take part in that, that thing much more important. Like through this blue and red color pyramid, active part is written there. Receiving and participating, doing, means if we are participating in the discussion in the lecture, or we are practically doing whatever we receive verbally or visually receiving, if we are doing it, if we are active in that form, then at least 90% we both do and say. Clear? Like participating in a discussion, giving a talk, 70% what we say, that we remember. Means if we are say, we are participating in the discussion, if we are talking, so 70% whatever we say, we remember. Then doing a dramatic presentation, means if drama is there and we are doing the presentation, simulating the real experiences, doing the real things. If in reality we are doing, we are taking part, we are doing the practically. So 90% of what we both do and say, we will gain, we will remember. So means active participation as well as doing is much more important. So read it, listen it, as well as uh, receive and participating in and doing it. Clear? So all these things important. Our level of involvement is much more important. With the help of pyramid, you can know that how much help us. If we are only listening and not doing practically in that part, we will not gain much more. Clear? We gain but only little bit. Clear? So students, hope this chapter help you to get more marks in your paper and help you to make your learning better. Thank you.